Did you know that 80% of people suffer from energy crashes daily? Unlock your body's full energy potential naturally today. Feeling tired and sluggish can affect every aspect of our lives. From work to relationships, low energy can hold us back. But what if you could boost your energy levels without relying on caffeine or energy drinks? Research from the American Journal of Gastroenterology suggests that our diet and lifestyle play a significant role in determining our energy levels. One of the main reasons we experience energy crashes is due to poor digestion. When our gut is not functioning properly, it can lead to inflammation and fatigue. Eating foods that are high in fiber and antioxidants can help to support gut health and boost energy levels. Foods such as leafy greens, berries, and nuts are all great options. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Exercise is another crucial factor in maintaining energy levels. Regular physical activity can help to increase energy levels by improving circulation and reducing inflammation. It's not necessary to spend hours at the gym, even a short 10-minute walk can make a big difference. Finding an activity that you enjoy and that fits into your lifestyle is key to making exercise a sustainable part of your routine. Getting enough sleep is also vital for maintaining energy levels. During sleep, our bodies repair and recharge, and a lack of sleep can lead to fatigue and decreased productivity. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and establish a relaxing bedtime routine to help improve the quality of your sleep. Avoid screens and electronic devices before bedtime, and try to create a peaceful sleep environment. Stress can also have a significant impact on our energy levels. When we are stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can lead to fatigue and decreased motivation. Practicing stress-reducing techniques such as meditation or deep breathing can help to mitigate the effects of stress and boost energy levels. Taking regular breaks and engaging in activities that bring you joy can also help to reduce stress and increase energy. Finally, incorporating certain supplements into your diet can also help to boost energy levels. Omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and probiotics are all great options. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your routine. They can help you determine the best course of action based on your individual needs and health status. So, what simple changes can you make today to start unlocking your body's full energy potential? Share with us in the comments below. What's one thing you're going to try this week to boost your energy levels? Remember, unlocking your body's full energy potential is within your reach. By making a few simple changes to your diet, lifestyle, and stress levels, you can start feeling more energized and motivated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.